Now we are going to see how bulk creation in Canva works. As an example, if you are going to create bulk designs at once, and you can easily create them by using bulk create option in Canva. After learning this, you can create a lot of items and with the same or Instagram posts or flyers or postcards, etc. can be easily created with some minor changes. As an example, in order to create that bulk items, we have to go to the Google Sheets, open that, go to Sheets, and on the sheets we can create a blank sheet. On the blank sheet we can have some kind of data over here. Maybe as an example, if we are going to create that January sale, and then we are going to apply it for February sale, March sale, April sale, etc. If we are going to do that in bulk, it's very simple. We can just type here January, and here we can type it as February, and that's it. And we can select these two things like this. After that, we can point this one and drag it up to this 12th month, so then automatically this will be created like January, February, March, April. And after we have created this, of course we can create a lot of things and connect them with Canva. I'm just going to provide you this as an example. After we have created that, we have to save this as a CSV file, right? Let me do that. So here I'm going to go to the files, download it as CSV file, comma, separate values, and then it will be downloaded. After we have downloaded that, we can go to the Canva, and in the Canva we can create a design, sale flyer. As you can see, the sales flyer has been obtained over here, and we can have like as an example, if we obtain like this, hello January. And now what I'm going to do is, as an example, if we have obtained this one, hello January, and then I wanted to generate hello February, hello March, etc., and then that can be easily created by using this tool. So in order to use that tool, we can do customizings in here as well. If we are going to do that, we can go to the apps over here, and then you can come down here, and then here there will be a bulk create option available for you, and then you can click that if you are using that for the first time. And I have already selected that bulk create, so that bulk create will be underneath these apps over here, right? So if I click that bulk create item, and then it will ask you to select whether you are going to apply the data manually or you are going to upload the data from your computer. So since I have already have the CSV file, I can click this. So then it will ask me to select where that CSV file is located, and then I can click this one and open it up. And then it will ask me to select which one you are going to insert in here, right? In order to connect this data on the text, what we need to do is we can just simply right click this, and then after we have this one, and then the connect data icon will appear over here, and then we can select this one, so that as you can see, the first word on that first column has been selected like this. If you have multiple columns, and you can select multiple data over here. After you have selected that, and then you can click continue, and then it will ask you to select how many pages you wanted to create, how many rows. As per one row, it will create one page. So if you have multiple rows, and then you can create multiple pages. I want all the pages to be included, so that I'm going to click select all, and then if I click generate that 11 files, and then it will direct you to another window like this, and then it will have that bulk item created, right? It's very simple and effective tool that we can use it for our different designs. Maybe as an example, if you have selected this one goodbye March, etc., we can use that, right? So hope you get an idea about how this bulk creation works, and you know where to use these things, and you can apply into your designs if you are creating a bulk items in Instagram posts or Facebook posts, or if you are creating YouTube thumbnails that are similar in a series or the similar in a playlist. You can create these kinds of things very easily. And the second method that we can create is like, if you go to the bulk create option, and we can enter the data manually. If I select that, enter the data manually, and I have to enter those kind of data manually. As an example, I have to type like January. Here I'm going to type February. Here I'm going to type March. Likewise, we can select that, and we can name these things, maybe month. And here we can select, if you have any other kind of data, you can double click that and edit that if you have any other things. After you have done these things, what you have to do is you have to come over here, and then you have to click done. And then after, it will show you like this, and then you can click this and right click this, and then go to the connecting the data, and then you can select which column you wanted to connect, months column or email column. I'm going to click that months column, so then that months column will be selected, and if I click continue, and then it will ask me to generate how many pages you want, and then if I click generate, and then it will be generated on the